All right, so I did not plan to make this video. If you're trading stocks and options on Webull, you need to know this, okay? Let's just go to a stock, and let's say you were wanting to trade options on SPY. So I'm looking at short-term calls. I'm doing a quick day trade. I'm just gonna get something cute at the money. Boom. Let me get 5. All right, bet. So you put your order out. Oh.
Embarrassing. Call was declined.
Okay, let me do something smaller. Let me just do 1. So before, what would happen was it would take you off of the screen and really kind of let you know that you put that order in, and now it doesn't. It just, okay. So you really have to make sure and pay attention that you know that you put that order in. Before, they didn't have this. So if you didn't pay attention, you wouldn't have even known that you put that position in. And now I can quickly go here and delete those. So Webull is really making some amazing updates to their app. I just wanted to make sure everybody knew, so that if you're day trading, you're doing something fast, just make sure you know it's not going to take you off of that screen. So you could sit there and click it 3 times and enter that position more times than you intended. So I just wanted to put that out there, and also just let you know you could click on this little briefcase down in the far right, click on that, and that'll show you your open positions, your history, everything that you have going on. Ooh, it's telling all my business, but that's fine. These are some these are some positions that I'm holding for tomorrow, so we'll see what happens. Make sure you guys are aware of that, and I hope that you're trading well. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.